In this video, I'll show you how to get a crypto price command on Kick, allowing you and your viewers to check live crypto prices. If you haven't signed up for Kicklet yet, I'll link the video here on how to set everything up. Then we'll jump right in. First, go to the website kicklet.app. Next, click on Commands and then on Gallery. Here, you'll find many pre-made commands that you can easily install. We're looking for the crypto command, so search for crypto. Click on crypto price info. Here, we can configure a few things. I'll set the command to !BTC since I want to display the Bitcoin price, but it also works with Ethereum, for example. Then we have availability. Here, you can choose who's allowed to use the command. In my case, I want everyone to be able to use it, so I don't need to change anything here. In aliases, we can add an alias. I'll add Bitcoin as well, so it can also be used in full. Next, we go to configuration. Here you can customize the message. For instance, I don't want the default intro. Then it would display BTC first, but I want it spelled out, so I'll change it to Bitcoin. The message will now read, Bitcoin is currently at, followed by the price, and it currently shows as USDT. I'll change that to USD. Above that, you can also choose how many decimal places you want to show. I'll set it to 0 since, for something like Bitcoin, it doesn't make much sense to show decimals. It's more useful for currencies with lower values. At the very bottom, you'll see currency, where Bitcoin is set by default. If you want Ethereum, for example, you would enter ETH, but you can input any cryptocurrency you want. Since I want to display Bitcoin, I'll leave it as BTC. Click Save. Now let's switch back to commands at the top, and you'll see that we've successfully imported the command from the marketplace. Here, you can toggle the command on or off. By default, it's enabled, so everything is set up correctly. Now, let's switch over to Kick and try out the command. We type !BTC in the chat and see that everything works as expected. We also test the alias !Bitcoin, and that works too. However, I noticed that the message just appears in the chat and isn't a reply to my message. Of course, we can change that if you'd prefer. To do this, go back to Kicklet, click Edit, and check the box for as response. Then click Save. Now, let's return to Kick, and you'll see that it works exactly as desired. If you should have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to join the Kicklet Discord with the link in the description and ask. That's it from me with the video. Please leave a like and a comment. See you next time.